Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I finally found what was it called? Oh my goodness. It is the monthly swap that is hosted by Miss Judy and by Miss Donna Dreams Times 3 here on YouTube. And I finally found it. So let me show you what I found. Oh my goodness. So I was a little lost. I don't know why I always get lost. So this was part of May swapped, or was this okay? May. We just did. Wait, we just did May. So it was April, and it was paper clips. So I do apologize, I was late. I thought I did the video, but I know I didn't. I think I just opened it because I was like so eager to see what I got, and I was so busy that week, and yeah. So anyways, I do apologize for that, Miss Judy and Miss Donna, and for all the other ladies that I received paper clips from. So this one comes from Miss Susan Tootsie Tucker. Life is better when it's fun, and she is always having fun, her and her bestie. So let me go ahead and see. Yep, and just gives me her information, and this is why I knew it was her. Look at the bunny. Look at how cute. And she put little bows in here and a little furry tail. How cute. Looks like she is jumping up and down. And there you guys go. She's doing some exercise. And this one comes from, let me see. This one is, oh, how cute. So I had seen these already, but I forgot what they look like. And this one was from Miss Alicia. Oh, how cute. See? So she did her little paper clip with the banner, and then she put another piece of banner right here, and then actually on the bottom of that she put some trim, and she went a little vintage, and then she has like a little piece of oh my gosh, trim up here, ribbon, and then she has this little cute adorable boy, and it says party on, and there's a bling right here, and then she did a shaker effect on her envelope on this side and on this side. How cute. And then she has this lady and this little boy, which just makes it vintagey, and I like how she did her shaker part, and then she added some eyelash trim. Oh my goodness, I can't even think. And then she put some dots in here, some adhesive, not adhesive, Velcro dots. These are small, these are cute. And there you go. Oh, and then on the back she did it all the way to the back. That's cute. So let me go ahead and put that here. There's two. And then this is from Gloria Smith. And then Miss Gloria Smith, she has a little bit of sequins in here, cute sequins colors. Oh my goodness. And then she did just a bow, and then she has a banner right here with some crepe paper, and then I think the back of the part is a banner as well. And I'm trying to not lose the sequins because sequins is gold right now. And then she did this cute die cut flower and a bling right here in the middle. Really, really cute. And then the crepe paper, she has like a little, there you go, you guys could see, so it hides the glue there. How cute, how cute. And Miss Judy sent me a little Miss Judy, she sent me a little extra, and the extra is, sorry you guys, I'm trying to save this. Like I said, sequence is gold for me. Anyways, and Miss Judy sent this as a little extra. I believe it was from her. I might have lost her note by now. So cute. Ooh, I love this one. This one too. My favorite color. I wonder what collection this is from. So how cute. What a great idea. She used a little Ziploc baggie, and all she did was just put, I think I cut it. Oh, wait here. Yep. From Miss Judy. And then, oh, I love these. The ribbon spools, I love them because you could just wrap your oh my goodness, wrap your trim around here and I love them. Thank you so much. And they're all the same. Thank you, Miss Judy. Anyways, if you guys have not, I do apologize for this being late. It's me. Sorry. If you guys have not checked Miss Judy's channel out, please do so. Go over to her channel. I will link her down in the description below. Also, Miss Donna Dreams ×3. She is part of this swap thing that they're doing. So right now it is Miss Judy's turn again. I just received Miss Donna's, and I already posted that video up there. So it's a fun swap, a monthly swap. You know, it just makes you think out of the box and do something different, and not being focused on the same thing or trying to do other stuff. And thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.